I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. It's
a whole beat.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just know. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and where would you still?
It looks amazing.
Keep it on the diamond, you just be there too.
Birthday girl. Got.
I got it, mobbing, scheming, looting. Hide your body as long as you're dreaming about me. Ain't no problem, I don't got nobody just with you right now.
Hi guys, so we're going for Favor's birthday. We're currently at the supermarket and then we'll be going out to the apartment and skincare, so come join us. Hi, Favor, say hi.
Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze? I miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you,
I'm back in the room now.
Release Jerry, you call.
so bad at playing the ball. Like I am. You take that one. You guys, can I make a confession right now? What's that? I never took shots. So guys, we're at the kitchen. So guys, I'm at the apartment. Came for my friend's birthday party, and here, this is the apartment. This is the kitchen. Let me just show you guys around. So guys, this is the kitchen. This is how it's looking. We have a microwave, a cooker, dishwasher, and all the shenanigans. So yeah, this is the don't put the camera. There's the TV, the chair. Now we're going upstairs. We're going upstairs to the room. Yes. Where are you? Okay, so this is the bed. Yeah, and let me just show you the toilet. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. Oh my god, this is so fine. So this is how the toilet is looking. It comes with a heater, the toilet, mirror. Can you see me? Looking all fly. Anyways, this is going to be our apartment for like, we're staying here for 2 days. Yeah, this is the shower. I like the black aesthetics it gives. And this is my toenails, guys. I finally did my toenails. And you guys tell that this is a personal nails. Like, I just pressed it on my nails and then I did my nails. And this is the sink. But yeah, I'm going to definitely do skincare routine in this. Like I can see I'm after break, guys. I need to go to the gym. You guys should recommend gyms I can go to on the mainland because I'm getting a lot bigger and I need to work on that because now. One of my goals this year was to actually work on my weight, so yeah. This is one of the apartment. Let me show you the second one. This is the bed. It comes with the TV and light. Let me show you the second one. So this is the second one. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. This is the sink. Guys, this is the second apartment. This is the TV, the fan, the wardrobe, the bed. And I like this cute mirror shenanigans going on here. Yeah, this is where I'll definitely do my skincare. See the birthday girl. Hello. Say hi. So this is where we'll be doing our skincare. It's on the lights. Why is the light not on? Is the light on? Text me. My phone will soon die. And this is the yeah, guys. So this is me chilling in the apartment. You like my wrists, and my nails. But yeah, this is how we're looking. Don't worry, we're going to do makeup. I'll show you how I'll do my makeup and all the shenanigans. Guys, just get ready, okay? Bye.
Hey, I do for your vlog now. I need to like. Hi guys, so this is my first time featuring
Joanne's vlog.
Joanne's vlog. Okay, so my name is Emmanuel. Hope you see more of me tonight. Yeah.
Clacker.
Look, I can't talk over.
Yeah.
Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot too sorry. Are you with me? Yes, I know what the gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I cannot pick it up and move on. Like you hard, and I know.
you see that? Yeah.
That's this special.
And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me. There's nothing left to lose without my baby. We should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better.
Good morning. Hi bears, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the
Yeah. So this is. Wait. Oh yeah.
Love you, okay?
Okay. Say something. Oh God. Say something. We are boring. Daniel. Stop now. Sharp. Just say anything.
Hi guys, I'm Love, and guys, please subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Everything. Thank you.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on. Want me, say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you
Hi guys, I'm so fucking drunk right now. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, subscribe to Joanne's vlog. Like, subscribe, comment, do everything. Everyone is literally having fun right now. We are so fucking drunk. We are wasted. It's my face. So let me show you everyone. Joanne is just right here.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you